Hi there, Bridget Mackay here. I'm an estate planning and elder law attorney in Petaluma, and I have been doing some video blogs under the theme of Game of Thrones. And I was inspired for these next two blogs by the subject matter in trust that we deal with quite often, or we ask every client when we're doing their trust, is who is your ultimate beneficiary? So we also call it the nuclear option. If all of your family is gone, where are your assets going? And I thought back to House Tyrell. For those of you who are Game of Thrones fans, you know that when Olenna Tyrell killed herself in the sacking of Highgarden, that was the last of her house. And I have to ask myself, Olenna, did you have a plan of where things are going to go if all the Tyrells are gone? In Game of Thrones, it obviously goes back to the king, and they're going to appoint someone to take over Highgarden. I think in this last episode, it was Tyrion's sidekick. Who knows if he'll get that, because, well, that remains to be seen, right? For all of you who have trusts or thinking about doing estate planning, unfortunately, that's a question you have to look at. If my whole bloodline is gone, where are my assets going? Because if you don't have that plan, then much like Game of Thrones, it's going to revert back to the king or the state of California in our case. Take a look at your plan, or if you're starting to plan, remember to make sure that your estate planning attorney is considering that and asks you that question. Always, if you have any questions, consult a practiced estate planning attorney with them.